Welcome to a new lecture of lecture series integrated circuit with the subject code KEC 503. Okay. So, today is the lecture number of 11. Okay. And today we will discuss about the active filter. Okay. So, first in our mind, what is the filter? Filter is basically a frequency selective circuit that passes the specified band of frequency and block or attenuate a signal of frequency outside of this specified band. Okay. An electronic circuit can separate a desired signal from the undesired signal. Okay. So, now we consider an example. Let us suppose that we have a AM signal. AM signal, it look like this. This is the message signal, this is the upper band. Okay. This is the FC and this is the FM. Okay. So, let this is the our desired signal, it message signal is our desired signal. And this FC contains the frequency FC and FC plus FM, where FC is the carrier frequency and this side is the FC minus FM. This one the undesired signal. So, when we when AM this at receiver side, when it is passes through a low pass filter, for example, we have a low pass filter, then filter will be separate the desired signal, that is the message signal, from the signal which has the carrier and message both. Okay. So, finally, we get the output our desired signal, this is the message signal, it passes a low frequency signal which is our message signal. So, definition says that an electric filter can separate the desired signal from the undesired or a group of desired and undesired signal. Types of filter, there are the many categories of a filter. First, if you consider the based on the type of signal, which type of signal we try to process through a electronic system or a electronics filter or a electrical filter. So, there are two types, analog filter and digital filter. Analog filter work basically work on a continuous time signal and digital filter work on a discrete time signal. Okay. Second is the based on type of element, which type of element we use in design of filter. So, if we design a passive element like resistor, capacitor and inductor, then filter defined as a passive filter. If we use the active components such as operational amplifier, BJT, MOSFET, if this type of element if we use in design of filter, then filter is called active filter. And based on the type of frequency, there are two types of filter, AF filter, audio frequency filter, RF filter, radio frequency signal filter. Okay. Analog filter is basically work with the continuous time signal. This is the one work with the continuous time signal. Okay. Discrete digital filter which work are basically based on discrete time signal, which process the discrete time signal. Passive filter, if type of element, if you use the resistor, capacitor or inductor. Okay. If any filter designed with this component, passive component, resistor, capacitor and inductor, then filter defined as the passive filter. Active filter is designed with the op amp, mostly with design with the op amp, or we can use the BJT. Okay. Or we can use the MOSFET. in design of filter. Active component, basically if you use in design of filter, then filter is defined as active filter. AF filter and RF filter. AF is the low frequency filter, is basically low frequency filter, and it is generally designed with the RC component. Okay. Resistor and capacitor. Filter RF filter is the high frequency filter, and it is generally designed with the LC, inductor and capacitor component. Okay. Now, next, active filter. Active filter are made by a combination of the active components such as operational amplifier, transistor, and the passive components such as resistor and capacitor. In active filter, the active device provide the voltage gain, and the passive component or passive elements provide the frequency selective circuit. For example, let us suppose that the all filter in generally design look like this, in a active in a nature. If filter active in a nature, then look like this. This is the resistor R1. Okay. At the feedback resistor RF, here V out, and here with one block, and input of this block contain with the input signal, input sinusoidal signal V in. Okay. And this block is basically, if you consider this block is basically defined as a frequency selective network. This is the frequency selective network. Okay. And this is the basically made with the combination of resistor and capacitor. Frequency selective network is made with combination of resistor and capacitor, and combination of resistor and capacitor we defined at the, it is a first order filter or a second order filter. It is a low pass filter, a high pass filter, band pass filter, band reject filter. They depends upon the combination of resistor, capacitor, and combination of also op amp. So, first we consider the first order low pass filter. Okay. The first order low pass filter means first order, it implies that it is a single pole filter. Okay. Single pole filter, first order means single pole filter. Yeah, we can say that if you design the transfer function for any filter, if you consider the transfer function, let us suppose that a constant and one characteristic equation look like this, S R C plus 1. For example, S R C plus 1. So, order of S is 1. If order of S is 1, then we can say the first order filter. If order of S, highest order of Laplace parameter S is 2, then filter types is second order filter. So, first we consider the first order low pass filter. As name is suggest, it passes the low band of frequency and attenuate the high band of frequency, okay, or stop or block a high band of frequency. So, we consider the circuit diagram. Okay. This is the circuit diagram for a first order low pass filter. Here is the R1 RF, decide the pass band gain of filter. RC, this in previous slide we discussed about the frequency selective network. So, this RC, combination of RC is defined as the frequency selective network, and position of RC will also decide that filter is low pass filter or a high pass filter. Okay. The So, first we consider in next slide we go for a circuit analysis, then we consider a node A. Let us suppose that here is the node A with the node voltage V1, with the node voltage V1. So, this is the node A. We take a small cross section of this circuit. Here we V in R, C, A and V1. V1 node A has the voltage V1. Okay. So, from this network, if you solve for voltage V1, so we get the V1 equal to V in 1 upon S C divided by 1 upon S C plus R. Simple a voltage divider rule follow here. Okay. So, we get the potential V1 is equal to V in into 1 upon S C. The capacitor give the impedance 1 upon S C and resistor had the impedance R. Okay. So, total impedance divided by V in into 1 upon S C divided by total impedance 1 upon S C plus R. Okay. Here we see the voltage across capacitor. Okay. So, from circuit the output voltage, if you consider the circuit, let us this, what is the V out? If V1 is voltage of non-inverting terminal V1, then V out is simply we write in a non-inverting mode, gain of op amp is 1 plus R1 Rf by R1 into potential of non-inverting terminal, potential at the non-inverting terminal, that is the V1. We assume that the voltage of non-inverting terminal is V1. Okay. So, here we get the equation 2, non-inverting, due to non-inverting connection 1 plus Rf by R1 is the gain of op amp circuit and V1 is the terminal potential of voltage at the non-inverting terminal. Okay. So, from equation 1 and 2, if you solve, we replace the V1, we find the V1 is V in upon 1 plus SRC here. Here. Okay. If you solve, if we minimize this, then we get the V1 is equal to V in 1 plus SRC, V in 1 plus SRC. We take the simple common 1 upon SC, then 1 upon SC cancel out, we get the 1 upon 1 plus SRC. Okay. So, here we get the V out equal to put V out equal to 1 plus Rf by R1 into V in 1 plus SRC. Okay. And finally, we put a terms AF. AF is defined as the pass band gain. Okay. In next slide, we defined in frequency response of if you discuss the frequency response of low pass filter, then we clear the what is the AF. Okay. It defined as here we say it defined as the pass band gain and AF equal to 1 plus Rf by R1. Okay. And finally, we get the transfer function. Transfer function is the ratio of output to input in Laplace transform. So, V out by V in, we get the AF upon 1 upon SRC. This is the equation 3, and equation 3 says that the first order low pass filter also defined as one pole. Okay. Also defined as one pole low pass filter, one pole system which define where is the pole, if we consider the characteristic equation 1 plus SRC and put the 1 plus SRC equal to 0, then we get the S equal to minus 1 upon RC. The pole located at minus 1 upon RC position. Now, we get the transfer function this V out by V out S upon V in AF 1 upon ARC. This is the transfer function of low pass filter. Okay. Here we put the S equal to j omega, ठीक है, S equal to j omega and omega is equal to j 2 pi f. V out is equal to V out by V in, we get the AF 1 plus j divided by 2 pi FH. Here 2 pi FH is equal to 1 upon, if you consider these two equation, first and E, so we get the 2 pi FH is equal to 1 upon RC. Yeah, we can simply put FH equal to 1 upon 2 pi RC. Okay. So, here 1 upon 2 pi RC it in hertz, okay, and this is defined as the higher cutoff frequency. 1 upon FH is higher cutoff frequency. V out by V in. Finally, simplify this, so we get the V out by V in AF equal to 1 plus j F by FH. Okay. If you take the magnitude of transfer function, then we get the there are no imaginary part at the numerator side, so we get the AF 1 upon under root 1 plus here is the real and imaginary part. So, if we take the mod of this denominator 1 plus j f by f h, then we get the under root 1 plus f by f h square. Okay. So, also from transfer function we V out AF, this is the transfer function. Okay. Then we get the phase angle. If you consider phase angle, this is the phi equal to tan inverse f by f h, and this please correct, this is the minus tan inverse f by f h. Minus is misplaced here. Okay. Minus tan inverse f by f h. Okay. Now, from the transfer function we consider the three case. We consider the three case. Case 1 at low frequency. At low frequency we consider the f by f h is less than, so f, if you consider the f by f h square is much less than 1. Second, at f equal to f h, then we get the f magnitude of gain we equal to 0.70 AF, and at high frequency if you consider the f by f h is greater than 1, then we find the f by f h square is much greater than 1. Okay. If you take in the logarithmic of this case 3, then we get the 20 log gain equal to 20 log AF minus 20 log f by fh. If you consider this as a straight line equation, this is the C minus plus mx. Okay. So, m is the slope and m is the slope m is the slope m is slope, and slope equal to minus 20 dB per decade. Okay. So, if you plot the frequency response for a low pass filter, it look like this 0. This will be the gain magnitude of transfer function. So, it look like this, and this roll off rate is minus 20 dB per decade. So, first order filter shows the roll of, if you consider the first order low pass filter, then it shows the roll off rate is minus 20 dB per decade, and this is the pass band gain AF. Initial we say that the pass band gain AF, and at f equal to FH, when frequency at cutoff frequency we consider f equal to FH, then it becomes the AF by root 2. Okay. If you taking the log this AF by root 2, it comes minus 3 dB, then FH is also defined at the minus 3 dB frequency or a higher cutoff frequency. Simple, if you consider the first order high pass filter, it is simply look like as a low pass filter, only one change is where C position of R and C in a frequency selective network. If you change this position, we get the transfer function V out by V in, it look like S upon 1 plus SRC. Okay. And if you consider the frequency response for a gain versus frequency, here gain is mod of V out by V in, here is gain is the mod of V out by V in. Okay. To it look like the frequency response is here. Okay. Here is AF and this size is FL. In case of low pass filter, cutoff frequency defined as FL, lower cutoff frequency. Okay. And not exit EF, at this point is FL. Okay. At F equal to FL, gain becomes AF by root 2. Okay. And at higher cutoff frequency, gain is AF, and here AF is 1 plus similar as low pass filter, AF 1 plus RF by R1, because the op amp is operated in non inverting mode and it defined as the pass band gain of high pass filter, pass band gain of high pass filter. Okay. Here if you consider the transfer function of this high pass filter, okay, so if you put the S equal to j omega and S equal to j omega, then we get the consider the transfer function V out by V in, it look like AF S one plus SRC. In previous slide we forget the term AF S, and if put S equal to j omega AF, yeah, 2 pi F, then it comes j 2 pi F 1 plus f by FL. Here FL is 2 pi FL, okay, and here 2 pi FL is 1 upon RC, and FL comes 1 upon 2 pi RC. Okay, 1 upon 2 pi RC, and FL is the lower cutoff frequency for high pass filter. Okay. So, this is the two filter, low pass filter and high pass filter. Application of low pass filter we generally use at a receiver side of communication system, and high pass filter is generally used for separation of AC and DC signal. Okay. Thank you.